In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the Workspaces area. This is where all of your saved workspaces are organized. So take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Once you're there, look through the list and select the workspace you want to delete. Before you remove anything, pause for a quick review. Make sure you no longer need the sheets, reports, dashboards, or files stored inside that workspace. Deleting a workspace can affect everything contained within it, so this is the most important part of the process. If there's anything you might need later, it's a good idea to save a copy, move important items somewhere else, or double check with your team before continuing. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent accidental data loss. When you're certain the workspace is no longer needed, open the workspace menu. Depending on your screen layout, this may appear as a drop-down menu, an actions button, or a three-dot menu next to the workspace name. Click that menu to view the available options. From the menu, choose the option labeled Delete or Remove Workspace. The wording can vary slightly depending on your account or interface version, but the purpose is the same. This action tells Smartsheet that you want to permanently remove that workspace from your list. After that, Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is there to help protect you from removing something by mistake. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion if you're absolutely sure. If you have any doubts at this stage, stop and review the contents of the workspace one more time before proceeding. Once the deletion is complete, go back to your workspace list and check that the workspace has been removed. This final check helps confirm that the action was successful and that you no longer see it among your active workspaces. And that's it. The process is quick, but it's always best to be careful when deleting shared or content-heavy workspaces in Smartsheet. Making sure everything inside is no longer needed before you confirm the deletion is the key step. If you follow this process carefully, you can keep your workspace list clean and organized without removing anything important by accident.